Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to review 3 Hot Wheels cars today. First, we got the 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser from Hot Wheels Speed Graphics, #1 car from the series. So let's pop it open. So rip that. Take a look at the Chevy Bel Air. Wow, look at this. It's got a pretty cool decal. It's got some pretty cool decals on the side. Holley equipped Chevy logo on the side. It also has a Goodyear little Goodyear tampo on the side. It has some very nice chrome gold rims. Let's pop it on here. If you take a look at the car, it's got a very nice chrome interior, which I really dig. It also has a white top on top of it. It has the word Holley on the back, Holley equipped. Also has a little chrome mufflers coming out the side. Has a big engine coming through, made out of chrome. Almost everything out of this car is made out of chrome. But still, a pretty cool Chevy Bel Air. So alright, let's take a look at the next car that we got. So let's pop that down. Next, we got the 1967 Chevelle SS396 from Hot Wheels Speed Graphics, #8 car from the series. Let's pop it open. So here is the SS Chevelle. So there we go. Let's take a look at the car. So it has a little what does it say? Oscils, Chevrolet 40 years, tampo or like decal on the side. Pretty cool decal on the side. Has a very bright yellow. Has a black stripe that goes down the middle of the car. It also doesn't go on the top, but it does go through the back and the front. It also has a little red line that goes through it. On the side, there's no stripes and stuff, but this is super part on the side. Has a chrome underbody and also some very nice gray rims on the car. Pretty cool Chevy. So let's take a look at our next car. Then after for our last car is a 1985 Chevrolet Camaro Ironic Z from Hot Wheels Muscle Mania, #1 car from series. Oh, I hate it when this happens a lot. Oh, I really like this car. Here it is, the Iconic Z. So look at that. Very nice blue, ocean blue. We got to take a look at the car. It's got a very nice ocean blue, kind of like a different patterning of blues. First we got dark royal blue, then after we got this light blue. It also has these kind of like gray stripes that go around the car too. Not around, but it does go on top, and also does go on top of the car and also the back of it. Pretty cool chrome rims that I really like. We got the C5s or something. After it also has like the little light on the side of the car. Has IROC Z. I can't really see it. After it's got a little tampo on there. Has no headlight tampos at all. But so no back headlight tampos, but still pretty cool Chevrolet. I love the blue. So yeah, let's load up all the Chevys. There we go. So yeah guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Check out my gaming channel, Zamir Gaming 101. And the link in the description also. So yeah guys, hope you liked the video. Bye. Okay, bye.